Hello everybody, we are here now at INRAe in Oceane with Oceane, I think is this right spell? And Perrine here at our colleagues from France in the MICROBE project, and thanks that we can be here and do a short interview with you, and we start right away. I think just that you introduce yourself, who you are, what's your name, where you're from, and your background, how you came here into MICROBE then. Huh?
Yeah. So hi everyone, my name is Oceane Fogliani. I'm originally come from New Caledonia. My scientific journey starts with a bachelor degree in the University of Toulouse on biology of organisms and population. I complete a more research-oriented master degree at the University of Quebec in Abitibi, focusing on the microbiome associated with multiclonal stand of jumping aspen. After that, I had the opportunity to work on another important subject for me, such as the taxonomy, by updating the French national database for fungi. I was looking for a position in a project that I can be fully in. It's when I find this position in the MICROBE project that align perfectly with my scientific interests and also my scientific background.
Okay, thank you. Very impressive. Now we have a question: what are you doing in MICROBE? What are your main tasks in the project?
So I'm a research engineer in Angers, INRAe, in the MRC's team. MICROBE allowed me to work on another compartment, seed, as I was more familiar with the soil system before. So here in Angers, we are looking at the preservation of the seed microbiome. We try to answer several hypotheses about the impacts of the conservation methods, storage duration, and culture methods on the seed microbiome. So to do that, we are looking at the taxonomical composition of the community by doing DNA, but also on the metabolic and functional diversity of the community. All of the laboratory work was already done before I arrived by my colleagues, so I'm right now focusing on the data analysis.
I have now a question. Why is maybe difficult because you're not so long with the MICROBE project, but you already have some insights. Why is MICROBE so important for you and maybe also for your team organization in your view?
So MICROBE provides us a way to find a methodological solution that we can all have to make preservation of the microbiome. It also raises questions that were not fully answered yet, so it's really important.
Now a more future-oriented question. What do you expect, let's say about 3 years from now, for yourself and your personal development, where you want to go, or even after the MICROBE project?
Yeah. So for the next 3 years, I will say that obviously I'm going to start my PhD next year. It's a pretty important thing. I had the opportunity to increase my skill during the MICROBE project in data analysis, metabarcoding and everything. So it gave me a lot of good and strong skills for my future PhD on fungi parasites.
We have now, it should be more private question. What are you doing if not working for MICROBE or not being involved in research and science?
I would say that most of the time I'm in the forest with my dog, so try to find nice view and fungi most of the time, because I try to train him to find fungi with me, not only the one on the ground, but also the fungi under the ground. We talk about hypogenous fungi, because I'm really interested about this type of fungi and how we can protect organisms if we don't know them. So it's very important for me. And if I have some chance, I try to take edible mushroom to make good recipes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds good. Yeah, thanks very much
Okay.
for your time, and wish you all the best and for the project and yourself.
Thank you.